The graph is given, and with the help of this graph and by using Prim's algo, we need to find out which option is true. These 4 options are given, and the starting is given with the A. Starting is given with the A node. So first we start from A. So as we know, with minimum spanning tree with Prim's algo, what we supposed to find out? The minimum adjacent edge. So here, what is minimum? This one, AB. So we can see in all 4 options, AB is there. So till now, we don't know which one is correct or which one is not. So next, we can make like this. Next option is what? B. So here, BC is there. BC is there. Here, BC is there. BC is there. BC is there. And AH is also true because both are having same weight. Both are having same weight. Suppose we are going like this, but this is also true. So till now, all are correct. All are correct. Now next move is what? This one. So next is Y. Next is what? CI. So CI is here. CI is here. And here in the second one, what is there? FE. What is FE here? We can see here FE. So this can't be possible. This is far away. Why we need to see only adjacent edges? So we can clearly make out that this one option B is wrong. Option B is wrong till now. And next, HG is in C and in D option. So here, if we follow this path, AH, in this AH, then after AH, which one is minimum? HG. So this is also correct. CI is also correct. And AB, BC, we can say AB, BC. And here we can see if we are following this path, then without using this one, we can't reach up to HG. So this one we can say this is here not correct. AB, BC is correct. AB is, we start from A, BC, next minimum, or we can say adjacent. Then after that, first we need to follow this AH, but here what is there? HG. So directly we can't come up to HG. So this is also not correct. This is also not correct. So now only two left, A and C. So AB is there, BC is there, CI is there, AB is there, AH is there, and HG is there. Right? We can use different color for that so that we can identify which path we are traveling. So for that we are using different color, this one and this one. Fine. So one path is AB, BC and CI. Another path is AB, AH and HG. AB, BC, CI, AB, AH and HG. Now we have to move next. Till here it is okay. Now CF. Yeah. Next adjacent edge with minimum weight is CF in this path, right? So it is correct. CF we can say. We are following CF, right? And in this, what we are following? AB, AH, HG, now GF. That is also minimum. So we can say that is also correct. That is also correct. Next adjacent with minimum weight. So now how many nodes are covered? Right? Now next is, this is also covered. This is also covered. Now FG. Now next is, by this route we are following FG with minimum weight because we have to cover this vertex also. So this one is coming in both the path, FG, and here what we are following? FC. FC. So here also it is following in both the path. So this is also covered, right? So till now it is correct. CF and FG and GF and FC. Now next we need to see what is next. Now next GH. So we are going in this direction. So we are following GH. So this is also correct. CI, because by this route we have not followed I. So we are following CI. We are following CI. So all node approximately cover and correct also. CI. Now next one is CD and DE in both. So CD by this path also, because now we reached to this, so in both the way it is correct, and the minimum path also, because rest path are not minimum, as we can say 9, 14 and 11 or 10. So, and this node already covered. And next is DE, because GH, so we have covered H also in that way also. So CD is also correct here and here. And after that, what we need to cover? We need to cover this. So in both the path, what we are following? DE, because this is minimum, because this is having 10, this is having 14. So DE. So in both A and C, so we can easily find out that both A and C are correct and B and D are wrong. So this is the way why we can find out, with the help of we can find out that which one is the correct answer for a particular graph by using Prim's algorithm.